Don't find you in mommy. Ooh, today's eyebrows are looking snatched. Hey guys, what's up? Karibuni sana to my YouTube channel. It's Miss Steph. If you're new here, welcome to the family and thank you so much for joining me. So for today's video, as you can see from the title, I'm going to be reading your assumptions and I'm going to be answering them, as well as I'm also going to be doing a look for today. I'm going to be doing a blue look with a gold cut crease and some blue shimmer as well. So yeah, stay tuned. So I brought you guys a little bit closer so that we can be able to see. I'm going to be using the Morphe James Charles palette, and I'm also going to be using the Huda Star Girl 24 color eyeshadow palette. So yeah, let's get started. So for the first, I'm going to start with a beautiful light blue, and I'm going to use that at the top of my lid. Then for the next color, I'm going to be deepening it with this other blue shade. And then because I want to add some depth to the crease, I'm going to be going in again with the darkest shade of blue. Okay, so I still wasn't satisfied. I thought it was gonna get out like, you know, really dark. So I'm gonna be using this nice purple shade. I really like it. So we're going to be using my L.A Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn to cut the crease. Now, initially I used to use a brush to cut the crease, but these days I actually prefer to use this, and I actually think it's even faster. So now that the crease has already been cut, it's not a full crease, it's actually a half crease. I'm going to be using my Huda 24 color eyeshadow palette, the Star Girl edition, and I'm just gonna pack a nice beautiful shade in the shade Djibouti. So for the next shimmer, I'm going to be using this shimmer from the Morphe James Charles palette, this nice beautiful blue, and I'm also going to be packing that after the gold. I'm going to be going in again with the purple shade from the Morphe James Charles palette, and I'm just going to be using that to blend out the shimmer. I went ahead and did my other eye. I also went and popped off my lashes from Nklashes Kenya in the style Malika, as well as adding a purple shade. Now to the assumptions. I'm going to be using my L.A Girl Pro Prep and Primer. So the first assumption that I got is that you're probably 16 or 17. I am not. If you watched my previous Q&A, then you know that I'm not 16 or 17. I'm actually 19 years old. So next I'm going to be going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade 355 on Coconut, Kama Kawaida, and the next assumption that I got was that I'm an only child. No, I'm not an only child. My family, we are 4 kids. So we're just gonna blend in the foundation, as I said in my previous video. Less is the next assumption that I got was that I'm very tall. I saw that assumption and I was like, not tall. I'm actually 5'4", but when people ask me, I say 5'5" because I can. The next assumption that I got is that I am a mean person or that I am a snob, which is very wrong. I am neither of those. I think I'm a very sweet person, if I do say so myself. But do say so myself. Yeah, I'm not a mean person. I think I'm very sweet. And I'm very approachable, and I'm not a snob. I always reply to people's messages. So yeah. So next I'm going to be using my L.A Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn to just highlight my face. So for the next assumption that I got, I was told that I'm a don't care person. Actually, contrary to that, I'm not a don't care person. Genuinely, it's the little things that get to me. The little things. Like, you know, people who don't close the door behind them, people who don't flush the toilet, people who don't excuse me or something like that. Those are the things that get to me. The little things, guys. The next assumption I got was that Spandangi do the I was saying when I do the, of course I used to do this almost everywhere.
Me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me right.
So next I'm going to be using my L.A Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa to contour my face. And the next assumption that I got is that I am an extrovert, which is so true. I am an extrovert. I'm a very social person, although I do have my own introvert days when I just genuinely don't want to be around anyone. The next assumption that I got is that I want a garden wedding. By all means, I think I would love a garden wedding. I think the theme colors for my wedding would be blue. Of late I've been really into blue. I already blended out my contour. So the next thing I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Fix Setting Plus Perfecting Loose Powder to just set my under eye. So now we're just gonna set in the powder. Now I know sometimes people are afraid of using powders that are white, like this one and also the RCMA powder, because they're afraid of flashback, but I assure you guys, this powder literally blends into your skin. It will blend into your skin perfectly. So the next assumption that I got is that I'm kinky on the low. Baby boy. Daddy kinky and is Afro kinky. Next assumption that I got is that I never walk out of the house without makeup done. Now I may understand, or I may be able to presume why you may think that, but actually out of 7 days in a week I only wear makeup when I'm filming, unless I'm actually going somewhere after I film. Yeah, 1 out of 7 days in a week I'm wearing makeup. So next I'm going to be using the True Complexion Contour Palette from Black Radiance to set my contour. And the next assumption that I got is that I wear makeup because I have low self-esteem. Not even just on me, like people who wear makeup have low self-esteem, or people who wear makeup don't appreciate the natural beauty, blah 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 blah. And I want people to change. I would really appreciate if people could change how they think about makeup. Personally, for me, makeup has always been like an art. I use my face as a canvas, and that's so I'm genuinely never wearing makeup because I'm going to see somebody or because somebody is coming to see me. If you want to come fight me, come. I'm going to be going in with my L.A Girl Pro Face HD Matte Press Powder. This powder is really nice, guys. So the next assumption that I got is that I'm rich. Somebody has the coin. Or that I come from a rich family. No, I would not say I come from a rich family. What I must say is that my mom and dad work really hard. Shout out to you, Maria and Junior. You all are the real. I think I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Chrome Fix highlighter. Metallic highlighter. I love this highlighter. And the other assumption that I got is that I am really talented and I am super nice. Correct. Check. Tick. Kila kitu. All those and much more. So guys, the look is done. For my lips, I went ahead and I used the LA Colors High Shine Sheer Butter Lip Gloss. This gloss is so good. It is so affordable and it actually smells really nice. So you can definitely go give it out a try. Thank you so much for everybody who sent their assumptions. The last assumption that I got was that you support people who support you. By all means, guys, I show up and show out for my friends, and I really appreciate you guys if you did the same for your friends. They could be a makeup artist, a YouTuber, a photographer, they have a blog, they cook, they have gigs where they sing, they write poems. Show up and show out for your friends. It really means a lot to a creative. To come to the end of this video, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. I really hope you actually enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to share, comment and subscribe. Also, don't forget to tap the notifications bell to get a notification every time I upload. However, all unasked for useless ballistic comments shall be deleted and the users possibly blocked. So anyway, thank you guys so much. Until next time, bye.